gentlemen, this is the Punch Official, and I'm back again. Now, this story defining me, bro. I say, my mystery pa. Now, last month, a story came on the internet where a court in the United States awarded $80 million in defamation suit to investigative journalist Anas Arameyao Anas concerning his case against Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, the former MP for Asin Central here in Ghana. So we all know Anas. He's an investigative journalist in Ghana. He's one of the cases where Ghana is shaky up. Ghana was the number 12 expose against the former GFA president Kwesi Nyantakyi and Namsma Kwesi Nyantakyi, Belusuni Juma and all that. So let me give you the background to this whole story. Somewhere in 2021, a guy was hosting his live show. I think it was on YouTube also. The guy is in the US. So on his show, he had an interview with Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. And on that particular live stream, Kennedy Agyapong said some things about Anas Arameyao Anas. After that particular video came out, Anas felt that he had been defamed by the MP. So Anas took the case to a high court in Ghana. After the whole issue, the high court said that Anas didn't have any case. So they struck the case out. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong won. And after that particular issue, Anas said that I won't let this slide. I'm not even one bisata. So he took the case to the Supreme Court. And also Supreme Court Editiana and also Anas Anwini. So because of said the guy who hosted the live show lives in the US, he has every right to take the case to a US court. And so he did that. Anas took the case to a US court from 2021. Case up and down, up and down, up and down. So last month, and I called on Babeka said, Anas has won the case against Kennedy Agyapong. So the court awarded Anas an amount of $18 million. Bro, you know $18 million. You know what that money can do for Ghana. So the court awarded this money to Anas Arameyao Anas. And they told Kennedy Agyapong to pay. A buyer pen and Kennedy said, no, I also not let this slide. I will not let this slide. Onye Iron Wabisaka. So he took the case to a superior court. And was also saying the court that awarded that money to Anas Arameyao Anas. So, as I speak to you now, the court has slashed the $80 million to $500. Are you really serious? $80 million to $500? Nah, Charlie. The judge, $80 million, judge entry to $500. So now the court is saying that Kennedy Agyapong should only pay $500 to Anas Arameyao Anas, not $18 million. Like, are you really serious? So let me check the currency rate in Amihadi. $80 million. Let me check $80 million in Ghana cedis. $80 million in Ghana cedis. So that will be around 232,649,667. 232,667 Ghana cedis. So this was the amount I was saying Kennedy Agyapong Chiama Anas Arameyao. In yes, bro. But the court says no. So the court has slashed it to $500. Let me check the dollar to the CD rate. $1, I think is here above from. You see, now $1 to the Ghana cedi is 12 cedis, 92 pesos. So let me check $500. $500 to Ghana cedis, bro. 6,462. As for this money, honorable Jamami, $500. Oh, bro. I go pay this money simple cry. So that is the case. Court and they say Anas on to me the size can free Kennedy Agyapong thing. So right after that, Tiger IPI, which is the company Anas they do the investigation. They have released a statement. Let me read it out to you. So the date is 11th May, which is Monday. Press release. Our victory is in the judgment and not the award. As Ghanaians may recall, a couple of weeks ago, an American jury found Kennedy Agyapong guilty of maliciously defaming my character. Consequent to the finding by the jury, an amount of $18 million was awarded in my favor against Kennedy Agyapong. Following the award, Kennedy Agyapong filed a motion for remittiture asking the judge to reduce the amount awarded against him. Thus, inherent in his motion, Kennedy Agyapong admitted to having maliciously defamed me. Today, the trial judge granted Kennedy Agyapong's motion for remediatua and reduced the initial award to $500. This means that while the judge held Kennedy Agyapong had defamed me, in his reasoning, the award against Kennedy Agyapong by the jury was excessive. Many avenues of redemption accrued to me, but it is important to state, as I previously did, that the fight has not been about the money, but rather a fight for truth and justice. I am happy that not a single allegation was proven against me in court when Kennedy Agyapong was given full opportunity to substantiate. I will continue in my relentless fight against corruption, and in doing that, continue to name, shame, and jail. Bro, you can't tell me that. So according to Anas, he was not interested in the money from this case, but he was interested in clearing his name, making sure that he was innocent of all the allegations that Kennedy Agyapong leveled against him. Bro, are you really serious? $80 million. You are telling us that not when you're interested in the money. I mean, well, I think your lawyer said that initially you people were seeking for $30 million from Kennedy Agyapong. Huh? Bro, Anas. Okay, so according to him, he wasn't interested in the money, but he was interested in making sure that he clears his name and make sure he was innocent. So after I said this particular story about out on the internet, someone posted something on Twitter. This is what the person wrote. He said, Kennedy Agyapong did a comeback against Anas, but Barca couldn't. That one he be true. Barcelona, want to make a comeback against Inter in the UEFA Champions League. This one also says, "Oh, Anas, $500 there. Abi Sami Jenfi go pay." So that is the issue on the internet. Kennedy Agyapong court to say, nah, own to $80 million, so be to only $500. And as I've stated, I will pay that money for Honorable. So Honorable, you don't worry. 6,000 there. I got your back. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit on the